Okay, for 67, you would definitely need to know Simpson's rule to answer that question. It's not something I'm deriving the fly, by the way. But the deal about this over here, I want to point out, do have an interval. The interval starts at 0. It goes off to 8. And we're trying to divide this into 4 equal parts. So if I did that, in the center would be 4, this would be 2, and that would be equal to 6. Let me make sure I did that right. 0 to 2. 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Yeah, there's 4 equal parts there. What's the partition size? The partition size is 2. All right, let's write these things down for you. And yeah, I think I got everything I need, all right, except for the Simpsons formula. We do write it down for you, and certainly writing it down, it can't hurt to know that going into it. It might be a hard thing to remember, by the way. Your mileage may vary on this. Some people are better at memorizing things than others. But I don't think it's derivable on an exam. You'd have to know that. So I would just simply not write it down. What's going to be? I'll go step by step through it. I'm sorry about that. I want to do this part over here first, and I'll write this over here. So I'm going to say, the B is 8, the A is 0, and I'm doing 3 times 4. I'm just doing that part over there. What do you get there? You get 8 over 12, and that's going to be 2/3. All right, so I got that part covered. I want to tell you where that's written, right over here. All right, the next thing I want to do is talk about what the integrand is, and I'll write it down as a function. The integrand, f of x, is kind of complicated. It's actually the root of 1 plus x cubed. Now, why do I do that? The formula is written down that way. All right, so what do? Kind of write it down. And I do see patterns over here, and the pattern's going to be, f at the original starting point, which is 0, right over here. So I can do that. I want to put that down for you. And that would be f of 0. That's right over here. Now the pattern you get in here, it's going to be 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, but it does end at a 4. So let's write this down. And again, we started here. I'm going to go to 2 now. What's it going to be? 4 times f of 2. Then it's going to be 2 times f of 4. Then it's going to be 4 times f of 6. I'm done. I'm at the end. What's the end going to be? The b part. That's going to be f of b. Now here's the problem for a lot of students. It's the computation now. Now certainly I do put the computations down, and I put this over here for you. I would say use a calculator, all right? Now the calculator that I'm using to do these problems over here, I'm using a calculator called Sage. It's a computer algebra system. I would recommend you learn a computer algebra system. And Sage is a great open source package. So what I do over there, I actually, in Sage, I type this in over here, then I type this in, and then I type this, it spits this back to me, and I want an approximate, that's an approximate, and that's the approximate I got, by the way. So it's approximately 73.80, all right? Thank you.